guys, I'm Grace. Welcome back to Everyday Barbie. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these Barbie jeans. They are a pair of flares. I have a free pattern for you guys that I drew out myself in the description. I know a few of you did ask how I made the sweater. Don't worry, I will definitely show you guys how I made that in another video. So here are the jeans. Yes, I sewed these ones by hand. My stitches aren't all that great, so yeah, these could use some stitching up, but I have this pattern for you guys. If you're not able to print it out, I can kind of just show you the measurements that we're using here. So I am using the same denim material. You can use whatever material you would like. So with this pattern, you're going to want to cut out 4 pieces. 2 of them this way and 2 of them this way. So I'm just going to start by tracing them onto my fabric. So now that we have our pair of pants cut out, we have 2 legs here. They're going to go together like this so you can kind of visualize it. I am going to add some pockets. It really makes them look more realistic. So I'm taking the 2 front sides and I'm going to draw out some pockets, kind of like we have here. Alright, so we have the pockets, and then to make them pockets, we have to cut out some squares. Starting big to see how much I'm going to need. I do want her hand to be able to fit inside, so I want to make it a pretty generous pocket, lining it up with both edges so that way we can sew it up. I am just going to be using some fabric glue, and we are going to glue the pocket to the inside. We're just going to let that dry. Now that this is dry, I'm taking one of my other pieces, good side to good side. I'm going to sew them together down this side. I'm going to repeat that on the other leg. Then we are taking the 2 sides that we stitched together, taking the pocket sides, both good sides, laying them on top of each other. Don't mind the mess. We are just going to be sewing down this curve, stopping here. So now you can kind of see a pair of pants forming. We have to now sew these 2 legs together, so keeping it inside out. We are going to be sewing down the legs up to the seams that we just sewed. So now we're just going to turn them right side out. I did have to go back, stitch some holes. I'm not great at sewing, guys. But I'm just going to try them on the doll. So they fit pretty good. We are going to add a little band at the top to just kind of hem it, finish it off. So all I'm going to do, cut out a thick strip long enough to go all the way around the pants. I'm going to be folding it in half, and we are going to stitch it good side to good side and make a nice edge. They are looking pretty good. So I have some sticky Velcro. Just gonna cut a thin piece. That way, they fit real nice at the top. For the pockets, the edge is fraying a little bit. I'm taking a tiny bit of glue and I'm gonna kind of seal them in. Next, I'm gonna add some little belt loops. I'm just gonna add 2 on the front. Just gonna glue those onto the jeans. I'm going to glue on a button. I just use these little nail art pieces, and I have one silver one left, thankfully. Lastly, I'm going to use some white paint to paint on some stitching details like I did on this pair. Also going to paint some stitches around the pockets. And there we are. Those are the flare jeans I made for my custom doll. I really love how these jeans turned out. My second pair definitely looked better than the first pair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me showing you how I made them. It really was a lot of fun to make a Barbie clothing item that really looks cute and realistic. If you'd like to subscribe, that way you won't miss my next tutorial for how I made her sweater. Now I would like to give some shout outs today. The shout outs go to Barbie's Best Day, DIY and Crafty Doll Kingdom, Queen Bee's Babies and Stuff. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you would like a chance to get a shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is subscribe. Let me know in the comments that you did. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!